Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to create LinkedIn headshot using AI in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to create LinkedIn headshot using AI. Are you ready to take your LinkedIn profile to the next level? In this video, discover the secrets of creating professional headshots using AI technology. Learn step by step how to enhance your image effortlessly. Watch now and revolutionize your online presence. Step 1. Sign up for https://treeleap.ai. Step 2. Next, upload your selfies and train model. Step 3. Generate headshots. That's it. Your headshot is ready? So, this is all about how to create LinkedIn headshot using AI. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.